hybrid powertrains, meanwhile, should be here by 2020. Both the Aventador and Huracan have been hugely successful products for Lamborghini, but in just a few years, the two supercars will be off the market entirely, in place of more modern, probably more powerful replacements. CEO Stefano Domenicali has confirmed that when those two vehicles are replaced, their predecessors will be hybrid-powered. "I don't think that the technology for a full electric Lamborghini will be ready until 2026, he said. Hybrids are a step towards that. This isn't the first time that Lamborghini has confirmed hybridization, though. Already we know that the Urus SUV will be the first raging bull to use a hybrid powertrain. The standard gas-powered Urus currently uses a biturbo 4.0-liter V8 to produce 641 horsepower, 477 kilowatts.